What if I told you that your financial future isn't being decided by the stock market or the economy, but by 5 simple habits, things you might be doing every single day? These silent habits are secretly draining your bank account. In the next 8 minutes, we're going to turn on the lights and expose every single one. Hey everyone! Welcome to Modern Financial Habits. I'm Modern Financial Habits, and my mission is to make personal finance simple and actionable for you. We're not just going to talk about the problems today. For each bad habit, I'll give you a new, smarter habit to replace it with. And make sure you stick around for habit number 5. It's the one most people think is harmless, but it's actually the most destructive. First up, the most comfortable lie we tell ourselves: financial procrastination. It's that little voice that whispers, "I'll start saving next month," or "I'll invest when I make more money." But let me paint a picture for you. Imagine your financial goal is a majestic rocket ship sitting on the launch pad, fully fueled, ready for the stars. But the launch clock is frozen at 0001. Every day you delay, a little more rust forms, a few more cobwebs appear. You're not just waiting, your potential is decaying. In the world of finance, the cost of later is often the loss of ever. The most powerful force in the universe, compound interest, needs time to work its magic, and procrastination is its greatest enemy. So what's the solution? It's a beautifully simple concept: automation. We're going to take you out of the equation and make tomorrow happen today.
Habit number 2 is the modern plague of the digital age: mindless spending. It's 11 p.m., you're scrolling through your phone, an ad pops up for something you didn't even know existed 5 minutes ago, but now you feel like you need it. Click. It's on its way. That's not you making a decision. That's an algorithm winning. Companies spend billions to remove every possible point of friction between your impulse and your wallet. Buy now, pay later isn't a friendly offer. It's a psychological trap. It separates the pleasure of getting something new from the pain of paying for it. The solution isn't to live like a monk. It's to reintroduce intentional friction. You need to build a pause between the impulse and the purchase. Let's talk about the habit that punishes you for getting a raise: lifestyle inflation, or what I call the golden handcuffs. You get a promotion, a bonus, a pay bump. You feel richer, so you upgrade: a bigger apartment, a fancier car, more expensive dinners. The problem? Your savings rate stays the same, or even goes down. You're working harder, earning more, but you're not getting wealthier, you're just getting more expensive. It's like a hamster getting moved from a plastic wheel to a solid gold one. It looks better, but it's still running in place. The solution? Create a rule before the money arrives, the 50% rule for new money. You automatically divert at least 50% of every raise or bonus directly into savings and investments. You build wealth first, then upgrade your life with what's left.
Habit number 4 is a sensitive one. It's not about being unintelligent. It's about fear. I call it financial ignorance by choice, or the ostrich effect. It's when you actively avoid looking at your bank statements, your credit card bills, or your retirement account, because you're afraid of what you might find. It feels safer not to know. But ignorance isn't bliss. It's blindness. It's like driving a powerful car at 70 miles an hour at night with the headlights turned off. You might feel fine for a moment, but you're heading for disaster. The solution isn't to become a Wall Street expert overnight. It's to schedule a 15-minute weekly money date. Just 15 minutes, once a week, with no judgment, just you, a cup of coffee, and your numbers. You just look. That's it. You turn on the headlights. And finally, habit number 5. The one I warned you about. The most destructive habit in the modern world. Keeping up with the online Joneses. It used to be your neighbor's new car. Today, it's 1,000 neighbors on your Instagram feed with their perfect vacations, designer clothes, and flawless lives. We intellectually know it's a highlight reel, but emotionally, our brain compares their curated perfection to our behind-the-scenes reality. This creates a gap, and we try to fill that gap with spending. We buy things we don't need with money we don't have to impress people we don't even know. It is a game you can never win. The only solution is to stop playing their game and create your own. Define what a rich life means to you. Is it freedom? Is it security? Is it time with your family? Write it down. That becomes your new scoreboard.
So there you have it. The 5 habits secretly keeping you poor. Procrastination, mindless spending, lifestyle inflation, financial ignorance, and keeping up with the online world. Recognizing them is the first, most powerful step. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these habits resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments section below. I read every single one. If this video brought you any value, please hit that subscribe button and join our community of modern financial habit builders. And don't forget, the journey doesn't stop here. Click here to watch the next video in our series, Top 5 Financial Mistakes to Avoid in Your 20s. I'll see you there.